Hey, welcome back to the basement. If you haven't seen my other videos, I make a bunch of goofy stuff that really has no reason to exist, and then I try to talk about it in more detail than anyone cares to see. Today we made Captain Quack and his fabulous tank. It's remote control via cell phone. You just connect to the Wi-Fi and the remote comes up automatically. You could terrorize your dog with it. That's what I did. Well, that's pretty much all it's good for. I just got done with a video about all of the technical stuff, and this video is going to be about building all the creative stuff. So that would be the tank platform and tread system, the tank top, and not that you couldn't figure it out, but decorating the duck. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you when it's over. Alright, finally, we have everything built. Let's go terrorize my dog. So that's it. A cool duck on a tank. Remote control from a phone. This might be my best invention yet. You can get the source code for the microcontroller, and there's the other videos to learn how to build it. I hope you'll check those out too. Even if you don't, I appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out.